Here at the Idea Shop, we offer several types of 3D printing to choose from. Each printer varies in price and application, and it's important to consider their differences when planning your project. At the Idea Shop, users work together with Idea Shop staff to prepare and submit parts for printing. When picking which machine to print your part, consider the following choices for model material. ABS is a plastic with good strength, high heat resistance, and low cost. ABS is good for a variety of applications and the material that Legos are made from. PLA is the cheapest material offered at the Idea Shop. It offers good strength but has low heat resistance and weakens when exposed to water. Liquid resin materials offer high resolution details and smoother finish, but are more expensive than ABS or PLA. Polyjet materials offer full color printing and high strength, but can be extremely costly. This printing option is most often used for visual aids and models rather than prototyping devices. The three types of 3D printing offered at the Idea Shop are SLA or stereolithography, FDM or fused deposition modeling, and Polyjet. The Stratasys F370 is an FDM, or fused deposition modeling, printer that uses extruded filament and is capable of printing engineering quality, functional parts. The F370 offers a variety of filaments to choose from, including ABS, PC ABS, TPU, and PLA, each in various colors. This machine prints with soluble support, enabling users to print more complex geometries that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to produce on other printers where support is rendered in model material. In post-processing, support is dissolved in a heated alkaline bath over the course of several hours. Our other FDM printers are the esteemed Monoprice Mini and the FlashForge. These printers use PLA filament. Support on these machines is rendered in model material, so you will have some manual cleanup to do after your parts are finished. These printers are free to use. Filament is included. However, they are unsupported by Idea Shop staff. What does this mean? This means you're on your own. Users must print their own parts, troubleshoot and prepare the files themselves, and staff may not be available to assist with printing. Additionally, these printers are turned off every evening, as we do not let them run unattended. As such, longer prints should be started earlier in the day, and larger, longer time prints should be broken into smaller parts. The Stratasys J55 is a polyjet printer that prints using UV-cured resin. The J55 is our highest resolution printer, capable of printing in full color and variable opacity in glossy or matte finish. Completed parts are sturdy and have a high level of finish. This printer prints with a jelly-like support material that is later blasted away with a water jet located in the makerspace. Finished J55 parts have outstanding surface quality and strength, but should not be used for wet or warm applications because parts will warp. The Form 2 is a stereolithography printer that prints using UV-cured resin. The Form 2 offers a variety of resins to choose from, including a number of opaque and clear, flexible resins. Supports are rendered in model material and must be later removed by hand. Finished Form 2 parts are bathed in isopropyl alcohol and then cured under a UV light after printing. To submit a 3D printing request, users must first have their files reviewed by Idea Shop staff. STL files are the preferred format. For color parts, we also take step files and VRML files. Each printer has different wall thickness specifications and geometry restrictions to account for. Files must be free of errors and meet minimum wall thickness requirements in order to be submitted for printing. Visit our website for detailed specs and requirements for each printer, or see a staff member for help to answer any questions you may have. That's what we're here for! Once files are suitable for printing, a staff member will walk users through the payment process. Print price is calculated by total print volume, including support material. Once parts have been paid for, they will be added to the printer queue. Tip: it's important to plan ahead, as turnaround times can stretch into days or even weeks depending on how busy we are during the semester. Hint: do not submit your parts for 3D printing the day before they are due because we are 100% certain you will not get your parts in time. Don't say we didn't warn you. Detailed information about our 3D printers and file preparation process can be found on our website, ideashop.iit.edu.